So you're looking for a Russian tutor and they have 1 minute to explain why it should be me. I have years of experience teaching foreign languages. I even taught Russian for the United States Army. I have a bachelor's degree in linguistics from the Lomonosov Moscow State University, the most prestigious university in Russia. I also have a master's degree in psychology, so I can help you with any anxiety you might have around speaking. I can give you a lot of useful techniques and hacks for studying. My rates are higher because of the quality of my teaching. Russian is my native language, and as you can see, I'm also proficient in English. So if you're looking for a tutor who's able to explain complicated concepts to you, you've came to the right place. Check my schedule to book a lesson, and don't hesitate to message me if you have any questions. I am approachable, so hit me up. And by the way, I might be in your time zone. I'm in the United States. Let me know where you're at in the comments. See you soon.
Видео получилось уже больше, чем на 1 минуту, а я забыла добавить, как я говорю по-русски. А это, между прочим, самая важная часть. А еще я хотела добавить, что я работаю со студентами любого уровня, в том числе и с начинающими. А еще я готовлю к экзаменам. Меня зовут Алла М. Увидимся на уроке.